Where there is life, there is central dogma. The DNA can be transcribed into mRNA and the mRNA can be translated into proteins. But apart from proteins, there can be many different macromolecules like carbohydrates and lipids. But have you ever wondered why does the DNA only code for amino acids, not for sugars or fatty acids? So please subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos in the future. So simply the central dogma says that DNA can be transcribed and RNA can be translated to functional proteins. But the Miller-Urey experiment has also shown that there can be a traces of amino acids in the primitive earth condition that was generated in the laboratory itself. So this says that starting from E. coli to humans, central dogma is common to all. It means a protein is common to all life. So this preference of protein over everything else is known as selection. And this has not come in a simple way. The protein itself is having numerous numbers of functional groups. So apart from the presence of many different types of functional groups that you can find here, a protein is an all-rounder. It's a versatile worker. It can do work of transporter, antibodies, hormones, motor proteins, receptors. It can do many things inside a cell. And apart from the versatility in work, it can also work with lipids, work with carbohydrates by forming lipoproteins, and then it can form proteoglycans or glycoproteins, nucleoprotein it can also form. So protein is all rounder and it can collaborate with everything else. That in this sense you can understand. So no such molecule can do this. Just simply you can say that carbohydrate, if it is building a wall, it's like a wall. Lipids, they work as a container, and protein is all rounder. It can do everything. It can cooperate with everything else. And this is simply a histone protein. You know where is histone protein found, and the DNA itself is required protein for the packaging. So the central dogma simply says that DNA to RNA, RNA to protein, and protein gives you life. So protein is the center to life. Protein is the center to everything else. And if we find that if the DNA stops coding for the proteins, there will be no life at all because nobody can place proteins. So please subscribe.